Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Feeling stuck in a creative rut? Wish you could paint breathtaking landscapes or dreamlike portraits but lack the artistic skills? It has features like text-to-art, image enhancement, upscaling your creations, background removal, and even the ability to train and use your own styles. It also has a magic fusion option, meaning you can control your images based on your preferences. Well, buckle up, because today we're blasting off on a journey to a whole new dimension of art creation with the power of AI. That's right, we're diving headfirst into the incredible world of Starry AI. Starry AI is a freemium website that utilizes multiple AI models to bring your artistic visions to life. Simply type in a text prompt describing your desired artwork, choose from a vast library of artistic styles, and watch as Starry AI transforms your words into captivating digital creations. Whether you need captivating thumbnails for your YouTube channel, mesmerizing backgrounds for your presentations, or just want to explore the possibilities of AI-generated art, Starry AI offers an accessible and exciting experience. So, what are you waiting for? Let's unlock the creativity within. Till now, you have seen the gallery images that were created using Starry AI. Let's sign up using your Google account. After successfully signing up, it will take you to the Lumen's buying page. You can just ignore that page and go back to your home page to enter your prompt and click Generate. It will take you to the Creation page. In the Creation page, you will see the Magic Fusion and Text-to-Art tabs. In the Prompt section, enter your prompt, and in Styles, you can choose the Luna Flux model. In Quality, choose Fast, and then you will have an option to increase the number of image generations. However, in the free plan, you can't generate less than 4 images or change the canvas size. Click Generate. It has generated the images based on our prompt. All the images are outstanding. This Luna Flux model is doing its job fantastically. Just download the images, and let's move on to the next image generation. While entering the prompt, you may see the Prompt Builder option. If you choose this option, it will show you different types of image-enhancing keywords with examples. This is great for beginners to get the desired outputs easily. If you select a particular option, the type of keyword will be added to your prompt automatically. For example, adding 8K resolution will help you generate a high-quality image. We entered a prompt to generate children with a wormhole. Look at the output. These are good but not great. We have tried different models in previous videos, and compared to those, this is an improved output for me. Let's try the Magic Fusion this time. I want to create a portrait of a woman with angel wings, but I'm going to use their pre-style references from the given samples and composition styles from their existing samples. You can also choose the face style or upload your own face style and composition style. Remember, it will only allow you to choose 2 options at a time. After generating the output, you can see the first image has broken hands, but the other 3 images are really good because I chose a complicated style and composition for this type of prompt. Still, it delivered a decent result, which is great for me. Let's create another image using a different prompt and change the quality to standard. This means it will cost you 2 lumens to generate the image. Let's try it out. After generating the image, you can see the output. The robot's playing cricket on Mars. The images are pretty good, featuring giant robots in the outputs. That's impressive for me. Let's move on to the next image. This time, we are going to create an astronaut in space in front of a portal. After generation, look at the output. It's just impressive and outstanding. Most models struggle with these kinds of prompts. We've seen that in the past, but this one beautifully delivered the images. All the images are outstanding. I'm impressed. At the end of the day, the free account has its limitations. It gives you 5 lumens credit per account. After that, you can use a different Gmail account to create a new account and generate more images. It's up to you. I will add the generated images here so you can see the details one by one. So, what did you think? Are you ready to jump into the world of AI art creation? Starry AI offers a free and user-friendly platform to take your first steps. Head over to their website, explore the possibilities, and be sure to share your creations with me in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this artistic adventure. Until next time, stay creative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.